Okay, we are now going to work out problem number 21. A group of frogs called an army is living in a tree. A frog turns green when in the shade and turns yellow when in the sun. Initially, the ratio of green to yellow frogs was 3:1. Then 3 green frogs moved to the sunny side and 5 yellow frogs moved to the shady side. Now the ratio is 4:1. What is the difference between the number of green frogs and the number of yellow frogs now? So let's just make a quick visual representation. So let's say G for green and Y for yellow. So G, green frogs in the shaded area and yellow frogs in the sunny area. So what we are told is that the ratio of green to yellow frogs initially was 3:1. So let's say there were 3x frogs on this side and x frogs on this side. Then 3 green frogs moved to the sunny side and 5 yellow frogs moved to the shady side. So from this side, 3 frogs moved over to this side, and from this side, 5 frogs moved over to this side. So on this side, on the green side, on the shady side, there is a net increase of 2 frogs, which means 3x will now become 3x plus 2, whereas x will therefore become x minus 2 because we want the total to stay the same. And now we're also told that the new ratio is 4:1. So 3x plus 2 is 4 times x minus 2. So we have an equation now. 3x plus 2 is 4 times x minus 2, which is equal to 4x minus 8. So now we just simplified 3x over to this side and minus 8 over to that side. So we get x as equal to 10. All right, so the number of green frogs now is simply 3x plus 2, which is 3 into 10 plus 2, that's 32. And the number of yellow frogs is x minus 2, 10 minus 2, that is 8. And therefore, the difference, which is what we really need to find, is 32 minus 8, which is equal to 24. So the answer is E, 24.